This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling just the essentials and starting the test now. Place a pure blue image on your screen and set brightness to maximum because you need a strong blue signal. Once done, disable auto brightness and keep exposure constant. Hold white paper next to the lens as a control, then take a photo through the glasses and another without them. Make sure framing, distance, and angle match. Small shifts change results, so be deliberate and steady as you capture both images. Now you quantify what you saw. Load the paired photos into an editor and inspect the blue channel values or histogram, because the blue channel isolates the light you want to block. Once you have numeric values, compute percent reduction by dividing blue through by blue without, subtracting from 1, and multiplying by 100. This gives you an easy percent to interpret. Make sure to repeat photography 3 times and average results to cancel camera noise and any stray reflections that would skew the measurement. Finish by interpreting the percent reduction and deciding if the glasses meet your needs. Higher percent equals stronger blue attenuation, but some tinting also accompanies stronger filters. If numbers jump around, make sure HDR, auto exposure, and white balance are off, and repeat with exact distances. Small changes alter camera readings. Once you've confirmed consistent reduction, optionally verify subjectively using a blue LED flashlight to check perceived dimming. Troubleshooting tip. If
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.